Good morning, traders. Monday, August 14th, 9 a.m., and these are your morning ideas. All right, gang. So a new week, and always looking ahead to the news this week. We got FOMC on Wednesday and unemployment claims Thursday. The talk of the town is that it continues to be very hawkish by Powell, talking about keeping inflation under control at the target rate of 2%, and they'll do anything that they have to, and they have shown that they will continue to raise rates, but it really hasn't affected the market as much as I expected the hawkish attitude to be, because as these rates go higher, it tightens the lending. People are having more trouble affording houses, affording payments. There's also the problem of debt becoming more expensive for businesses, which weighs on balance sheets, which it's earning season right now, or the end of earning season right now. So this stuff all will come into play later on, and we always say that fundamentals lag a little bit. So everything seems okay now, and that's really all we have to go off of is what's happening in front of us, right? And what's happening in front of us is we did come down last week. You can see we're making newer lower lows all the time here. If you look at it, we're just looking at the 4-hour, which is probably the chart we've been looking at the least lately. The 4-hour is just making newer lows, new lows, new lows, new low, new low. And we've banged right back into this area that we talked about, the 4,500 area. Remember on the 4-hour, the market left the area, and now we've pulled back to it, and we bang on this right here, and you can see that the market really bounced once, bounced twice, and now it's working itself back into this thicker balance. 44.16, if you remember, 44.16 is this area here at the VPOC on the 4-hour. It's also the very important level here on the big picture. That will be the low, okay, 44.14 we've been talking about. That's the low of the value. So this is a really big area. And I said last week that if we broke 4,500, okay, that's that thick area here, the VPOC, which is also that thick area we just looked at on the 4-hour right here, okay? If we break that area, 44.15, 44.14 area is next. And I believe that to be the case. If we look at the smaller picture, you can see we've had quite a bit of volatility last week, even though we didn't really go anywhere. We kind of stair-stepped lower, but we swung pretty hard in both directions. And we're coming down, back again overnight. We tried to go higher to 4,500, rejected that, and now we're moving lower at 44.17. So that 44.14 is the area that's on, on the map for me this week. And that's what we're looking at, guys. So make sure you enter the contest, guys. We're giving away $8,000 in cash, and there's a daily winner as well. Or we're giving away a lot of free stuff over there. And we're doing now 5 days to funding. So 50% off 5 days to funding, all that good stuff. I will share the video right after this. We're looking forward to another big week here for you guys. You guys were crushing it last week with this volatility. Let's continue to do that, and we'll talk to you guys soon.